Hey guys, what's up? So we're back with another video again today, and we're heading to the Maracas Waterfall here in St. Joseph. And of course, accompanying me on this trip today is my boy Jono. Hey. And yeah, we're pretty excited. I've never been here. Jono hasn't been since he was a child. So it's a new experience pretty much for both of us. And of course, we're bringing you guys along to show you how to get here, what you can expect, and just an overall good experience, hopefully. So before we head down the trail, let me just big up this week's sponsors. So this week's video is brought to you by Naydz Galleria. So Naydz Galleria has home and garden accents, unique mosaic pieces, paintings and more. All items are handmade and therefore one of a kind. Naydz Galleria's art pieces are inspired by Caribbean's natural beauty and vibrant colors. Open to commissions, and we're all about supporting local artists here on Trini Surfer. Me being a photographer myself, Jono is actually an artist as well. And you know, I love all sponsors when they come in from all over Trinidad and Tobago, and I love to rep the local scene. But I have a particular soft spot for people who are artists in Trinidad and Tobago, as we have so much talent here. So I'm really blessed to have this sponsor this week. So big up to them, check them out. Of course, they'll have all the links to their social media and website down below in the description. But thank you very much again. And now let's go and check out the trail and see what they have there first. Alright guys, so we're heading into the hike now, and the first thing you do notice when you do arrive at Maracas Waterfall here is that it's actually quite built up, and the reason for that is it's one of the more popular hiking spots in Trinidad because it's quite accessible. I've been told it's fairly easy in terms of hiking. It's a straight path, although we will find that out today. However, something to note, people have said that there have been a few robberies or different situations that are unfortunate that have occurred over time here. So that could happen anywhere in Trinidad. You know, hopefully you're not unlucky. I'm sorry for the people who have had bad experiences here. You can't live in fear, but you just need to be careful. Come in groups, larger groups if possible. Hopefully there's not a bad situation to occur. But that is why you're seeing all of these kind of tables for lunches. I'm sure there's like school tours and different things that come here. Garbage disposals. But you know, people in Trinidad already know how to use the garbage. Jono has found something there. Jono, what you found there, buddy?
A mango, but real soft.
Do you happen to the mango?
It's soft.
My boy Jono here now find a mango, and he's quietly putting it aside for himself later. Trying to hide it from me because Jono does not like to share. Really bad, Jono. And just to touch on one last thing, as we do in most videos, you know, garbage is a scene in Trinidad. Slowly but surely, I hope more education is getting out there. Everywhere we go, they have all these garbage signs. Please take your garbage with you. And they do have bins here. I do suspect in this area that people do eventually come and collect it, unlike many other spots in Trinidad. Most places do not have collections. Please take your garbage with you when you go in now. Let me keep these places beautiful. I beg. As I do every video, I beg in. It will be worth it, I promise. Jono has a friend here. Hello.
You think you'll eat a mango?
Try. We're going to attempt to feed Mr. Pup a mango. Yeah, you liking that mango, man? Everything just loves Jono, yeah? All the animals, his wife. Everybody loves Jono.
Sometimes.
Sometimes. That's a nice mango, nice mango.
Heading on the trail, and we could see all these beautiful flowers from the pomerac trees. Life is art. First little attraction of the day, we have this little stream coming down. It's nice.
So wash your hands. The water is so cool and crisp and clean, you just know when you're near a mountain kind of falls, you know? So you can probably just drink from this something normal.
Well, as usual, guys, we have the best tour guide in the business. You might not know him, his name is Sparky. Hey, buddy. So guys, as you can see, the rocks and the roots form a natural staircase, which Alan is coming up on right now.
Yeah.
There's a retaining wall up ahead. Not sure what the story is behind it, but it's definitely man-made. Alan's testing it out. So if you all know anything about it, please let us know in the comments. If anyone out there want to go to the tippy top, call my brother Darren Raymond, 482-2531. Really lush forest out there, guys. Look around. Beautiful. Greenery everywhere.
Hi guys, so we're about maybe 15 minutes into the hike right now. I do not know how much further we have to go. I don't think it's a very long hike though, and it truly has been really easy, barring a little uphill that makes you sweat and work fit a little bit, but compared to many other hikes, it's not nearly as challenging. And along the way, there's these beautiful little mini streams that are coming down the mountain here where you could stop. You can't really swim, but you could definitely take a little wet, rinse your hair off, wet your face, cool off, and then continue the hike. And you'll see it coming straight up from in the mountain up in here. Going straight down. So I actually quite find this hike is very beautiful thus far. Very easy and accessible, which is obviously a great thing for many of the followers out there who wonder about access to different places. So far, this is one of the easier hikes I have seen. Definitely one or two parts that you have to be mindful for, and I do not think it would be handicap accessible, but most people can make this.
Most challenging spot that we've come across so far. Just make sure to take your time. Don't be afraid to use your hands. You don't want to fall. Okay?
Easy as pie.
Another spot now with a slight staircase climb. Just be careful, it's a little bit slippery. Go Sparky, show us the way.
Alright. Jesus.
I think Sparky is going for some iguanas.
Sparky's cray cray.
Bring us back some into curry, Sparky.
Something to eat.
You know they just think copy place.
Normal thing.
Good day, good day. What you was now saying there?
Yeah, Trinis,
You
they're
want
dirty.
time,
They leave us at a thing, the bottle, the plastic, you know, the usual thing now.
You hear that, guys? Garbage, garbage. We have to get rid of that culture. We have first sight and it is absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera as yet, but let's take a look.
Guys, looks like we finally made it. It did not take very long. Jono, what do you say? How long was that?
Like a 15 minutes.
About 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 to 20 minute hike. Moving at a moderate speed. And right around this corner is the beautiful Maracas Valley Falls. So let's go and see what it looks like. Damn, that really is beautiful, boy. Wow.
Expression. This thing is colossal, okay? You come from a tiny trail and then it just comes up to this big open space and it's just beautiful. Look at it behind me.
Well, everybody, you know, we always bouncing up new friends on these adventures. So please give me an introduction. What's your name, sir?
Andre Ferguson.
Andre Ferguson, and your partner here?
I'm Lorraine Waldrop Ferguson.
Lorraine Waldrop Ferguson.
Yeah.
You get the extra name in there then.
Oh, yeah.
I like that. And this, how many times have you been to this waterfall before?
Numerous times. Numerous, kind of lost count, you know.
Lost count.
Yeah.
And is this one of your favorite spots to come and take a relax?
All the time, all the time. I love here. I love the waterfall. I love everything about it. The walk.
The walk, good
Yeah,
exercise.
beautiful. One of the tallest, I think, in Trinidad.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah.
Can you see? You're looking up like that. It is beautiful. It was really nice to meet you guys.
I hear you.
Enjoy your stay. Don't let me jump here too much, you know. Thank you very much.
Alright, bye. Take care.
So guys, this place is absolutely beautiful. It's massive. It's really, really big. I think it is one of the tallest waterfalls in Trinidad, alongside with Edith, which I've done a video on already. But yeah, I think I'm going to put down this camera. Jono's going to have a swim. I'm going to have a refresh. And I'm going to try and fly the drone if it allows me. So let's go and check it out and see what it's saying.
We're heading down into the water now. Check out the path. It's slippery, so please be careful. Walk with shoes if you can. Just be careful.
And then the last thing was the stone, right?
Slippery, guys, so be careful where you're walking. Really plant your feet. If you're wearing shoes, you're probably better off. I'm barefoot right now and it's very slippery, but it's beautiful, guys. Look at this beautiful waterfall behind me. So now getting slight showered on by the waterfall. It is freezing, but fresh water, guys. It's so beautiful up here. Big space to work with. Slippery rocks though, so please be careful. Fresh water, cold shower, good for the body and the mind.
Well guys, we are now back out of the hike from the waterfall and it was truly beautiful, like kind of blew mine. Now It's not really a swimming place. I do believe there may be pools somewhere around which we did not explore, but we'll check out next time.
Yeah.
But yeah, the waterfall was massive and beautiful. When the sun was hitting it, it's creating rainbows, and it exceeded my expectations. I was under the impression that this was an easy, simple hike, which it was. But my mind told me maybe the place would be less than impressive because of that, but it was not. What are your thoughts?
It was colossal. Like
Colossal.
that's the only way I could describe it. Now it looks like Valhalla or something.
Yeah.
No, it's crazy. It was real crazy.
Very, very impressive. So we're very glad you made it. We hope you guys enjoyed. So yeah, shout out to our sponsor, Naydz Galleria. Again, thank you very much. Check them out for all your local art needs. Again, really fantastic that people in Trinidad are doing all these great things and really pushing their artistic abilities to make a living and try and be something more than just that 9 to 5. And I respect that wholeheartedly.
Big up to Naydz. Big up to Naydz.
Big up to Naydz, big time. And thank you for sponsoring the video. If you would like to sponsor Trini Surfer video on one of our missions, contact me via email and I'll tell you about the packages and what it takes to be part of these videos. You help me, I help you. You know how it goes by now. But thank you very much again. Jono, any closing words for them? Or?
Get out and explore.
Get out and explore. Live your life. Big up people. Bless.